the Children's Guild, as of 2023, I believe that was our 70th anniversary. So that puts us this year into our 71st year with working with people with autism, and working with other individuals with different disabilities. So I would say for the past 70 to 71 years, we have become, I guess, an example of how to work with autistic people, including just in 2021, November 2021, we opened the Transformation Academy. And Transformation Academy's main enrollment happens to deal with individuals on the autism spectrum from low functioning to high functioning. So I would say 71 years of strong empowerment and education for the autistic community. I think I'm in a unique position as one of the managing directors, having had direct care experience for the past 20 or so years in speech and language pathology. It reminds me of the why of what we do. And while you're at your 30,000 foot view at managing director level, it is amazing to be able to remember being in the weeds and not only learning from the students and working with the students, but also the staff and the families. So being ingrained into the entire stakeholder and enmeshed community enables me to have a different perspective on each aspect of being in leadership, and then also being in staff, and then also being someone who can relate as a parent. So all of those things is a nice wraparound concept and a reminder of the why. In the direction of autism acceptance, I think it's so very important to actually shift that thinking from autism awareness and just being aware of people with autism or the autism community to actually accepting as part of huge contributors to the overall community. That being said, it is often the neurodivergent individuals that are considered strange, different, weird, we don't understand. And in so many ways, the neurodivergent, along with the autism community, have contributed to our society and world in a way that we don't always consider. So anywhere from World War II and code breaking, all the way to the ability to see things in a different light. There is a reason why there is the colorful puzzle piece that identifies autism acceptance, because all of those pieces make a difference and provide an understanding that would not otherwise be seen.